Hello, and welcome back to another nail video. Today's set is in honor of breast cancer. If you don't know, October is also Breast Cancer Awareness Month. So I definitely wanted to show my support with today's beautiful set. And also, I'm doing an ombre using gel polish. So I apply a very thin layer of polish to each nail, and then I'm going to cure these nails for 60 seconds. And off camera, I applied another coat of the polish as well as a thin layer of the Beetles top coat before I began my application. I'm using Mia's Secret Liquid Monomer, Young Nails Cover Earth, and my number 12 Penna Kolinsky brush. And since I'm doing an ombre, I start by placing my first bead where the tip and the natural nail meet. And I just am going to work my way up towards the cuticle area. And so lately I have been loving this color, Cover Earth. I just think it looks so good with my skin color, and it has been my go-to color for a while now. I just love it. And also, I am not done with my mini series, 31 Nails of Halloween. So thank you to all that have been tuning in. I have been loving doing nail art lately. It just has been so much fun. So if you haven't gotten the chance to check out that series, please do so. It's 31 Nails of Halloween. I highly suggest it. I do a set of spooky nails and I tell a spooky story. I'm actually thinking about doing something similar towards Christmas. So let me know if that would be something you're interested in. Like maybe doing a Christmas set and like telling a Christmas story. I think that would be super fun. Next, I use Mia's Secret Clear Acrylic to cap the gel polish on the ends of the nails. And as you know, Mia's Secret is one of my favorite acrylics. In addition to Young Nails and Not Polish, those are just some of the favorites that I use regularly. And I love that Mia's Secret is affordable and just still a good product, because trust me, Like, you will know when the product you are working with is not good. It will be difficult to work with, and it will make your application process 10 times harder. So I would encourage like beginner nail techs or even people who just like doing their nails at home to spend a little more on a good product, because it will definitely save you time and frustration. And I think Mia Secret is easy to use and is pretty affordable. Also, I forgot to mention that these tips that I'm using today are from Melody Susie. Yes, Melody Susie has nail tips and I love them. These are long coffin tips and they actually have a C curve, which I think I like the most. And I actually received these tips in a monthly gift box from Melody Susie, which I did an unboxing video. So I will leave the link in the description box down below to that video, as well as the link to Melody Susie's website where you could purchase your own monthly gift box where they like send different nail accessories. Yeah, it's really, really cool. And I'll also leave a link to all the products that I used in today's video. Truck to the plane, to the truck to the hotel lobby. Me, I go through underground garages, presidential suite on deposit, elevator up to the room, shower up and then we hit the club. Touchdown, gotta see what's up. Area code in my phone. What numbers do I still have? Who do I know from the past? Hit one, she say she got a man. Hit another one, it goes green. Must have changed foes on the team. Remember when you let me in between? That was 2017. All good, chuck a look around. Find one to see my type. Then my dog and he know what I like. He done found me plenty in my life. Problem is I meet a girl tonight, then I go and treat her too nice. Y'all a real credit card swipes. I don't even know if she a wife. And I foul shaped and buffed these nails off camera. And for today's design, of course, I knew I wanted to do breast cancer. But as far as the actual nail art, I mashed up two designs that I saw on Pinterest. Yes, I love Pinterest. I'm a Pinterest girl. If you are not on Pinterest, what are you doing? Because it is amazing. And so, yeah, that's what inspired today's nail art. Be a minute till I'm back. Let me get your images that last. Amex had a limit in the past. I had plenty women in the past. I done plenty sitting in the past. Y'all don't need to know, but you can ask. Sticking on your backstage pass. All access, cause you bad. You could go wherever with that ass. Show to the shout, to the truck to the club for the party. You go in first with your girls, cause I don't know who's out there watching. But I do know one thing, yo. Women, they come, they go. Saturday through Sunday, Monday, Sunday, yo. Maybe I'll love you one day. Maybe we'll someday grow. Till then, I'll sit my drunk ass on that runway on this one way. 2:30, baby, won't you meet me by the beam? Too early, maybe later, you can show me things. You know what it is whenever I visit. Windy City, she blowing me kisses, no. 30 degrees, way too cold, so hold me tight. Will I see you at the show tonight? Will I see you at the show tonight? And this is how today's set turned out. I love them, and I definitely wanted to show support and encouragement to anyone going through any type of cancer or know anyone going through it. You are not alone, and you just got to keep going and keep fighting. As always, I want to thank you so much for watching. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next nail video.